Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious green spaghetti that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This delicious green spaghetti, I am using linguine pasta, but you could use any spaghettis. I have here chicken bouillon or salt, butter, chiles poblanos, 2 garlic cloves, half an onion, 1 cream cheese, 1 little bunch of cilantro, milk. This is everything we need to prepare this amazing and delicious green spaghetti. So let's get started. I want to start here with the chiles poblanos. I am going to roast them right on top of the fire. Once they are nice and roasted from both sides, I am going to put them in a plastic bag so they start sweating and I could take away the skin very easily. This is the part that takes longer. Cleaning your chile poblanos. You need to remove all the skin and then remove all the seeds from the inside, and of course take the stem off. Once you've done this with every chili, then you are ready to start cutting them in little squares. I can't wait to finish this amazing recipe. I am sure you guys are going to love it. The flavor of the green spaghetti comes out delicious. I'm adding half an onion, 2 garlic cloves, and from here, let's go to the stove. My pan is nice and hot. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm adding all the ingredients in here. I am going to cook it in medium heat until it starts releasing the amazing flavor and aroma of the garlic, the onion, and of course the poblano chilies. It doesn't take too long. After 5 minutes, you will really smell all those amazing flavors. Your kitchen is going to be invaded with these amazing flavors. After 5 minutes, I'm going to transfer them to a plate. My kitchen really is invaded with all these amazing flavors. And now I am ready to add it to my blender. I'm adding all the veggies. I'm adding the cream cheese. I'm going to add the sour cream. I'm going to add the chicken bouillon. Of course, you could replace it with salt, the milk, and then we are ready to blend. Don't forget your cilantro. This sauce comes out really thick, really delicious, and of course, the color nice and green. Blend it for about 3 to 4 minutes until everything is incorporated. Let me tell you, once you make this green spaghetti, you are really going to enjoy it for the holidays or year round. Look at this. I'm adding it back to the same pan where I'm gonna cook it in low heat. While the sauce is getting nice and creamy and thick, I am going to cook my spaghettis. I have hot water. I'm adding some salt, a little bit of vegetable oil, and I'm ready to put the spaghetti inside. After 5 minutes, your spaghetti will be al dente. You don't want to overcook your spaghetti. You want to make sure that it's still al dente, a little bit hard. I'm going to use some of that water, 1 whole cup, and then I'm going to drain the spaghetti. Look at this. I'm going to drain it really good because I can't wait to add it into the delicious, creamy, and thick sauce. Look at this. This looks amazing already. Now I am ready to add the spaghetti in here. I'm gonna add first the liquid where the spaghetti was cooking. And once I incorporated, I am ready to taste it. Once I taste it and it tastes amazing, I am ready to pour the spaghetti inside. Look at this. After you add your spaghetti, raise the flame to medium heat. And you'll start seeing bubbles in the center and on the sides. And that's how you know when the spaghetti is ready to be enjoyed. I am sure that you're going to love this amazing sauce. The spaghetti comes out really delicious. It really absorbs all the flavors of the poblano sauce. Look at this. Of course, I'm going to add a little bit of Parmesan right on the top when I'm ready to enjoy it. But mix it really good. Cover all the spaghetti. And when you see those bubbles on your spaghetti, then you are ready to enjoy. Turn off the stove and enjoy. If you like and love this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video, be part of my family. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing green spaghetti. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. This is really creamy. I always say I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. This is really creamy. The flavor of the poblano chili, amazing. It's not spicy, but it's delicious. Make this amazing recipe for your holidays. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.